In this exercise, we'll solve an equation. We'll solve the equation 28 plus x equals 74. To solve for x, we need to subtract 28 from both sides of the equation. So we have 28 plus x minus 28 equals 74 minus 28. On the left-hand side, we have 28 minus 28, which is 0, plus x. So we're left simply with x equals. And on the right-hand side, we carry out the subtraction, and we have 46. And that would be the solution. It's always important to check our answer in the original solution, in the original equation. To check, we can write the equation out as given. Draw a line and check both sides of the equal sign. Substituting the 46 for x, we have 28 plus 46. And the question is, does that equal 74? Carrying out the addition, we get 74. And since 74 on the left side equals 74 on the right side, we have a true statement. And that means that the answer checks. So we can say the solution is 46.